Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. This kit includes supplies to embellish 25 individual paper pouches with seasonal die cuts, trim, and sequins to count down to Christmas. I'm going to leave these finished paper pouches on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your project. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. I like to sort my projects before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces go with each pouch. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. As we make these projects, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. I'm going to be putting together 4 pouches so that you can see each design as it comes together. Look at this cute advent you can display in your home. Our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. This kit will be such a fun way for our family to count down to Christmas. Or I could see these as cute tags for neighbor gifts. Happy holidays and enjoy!